Day 10. Post-op. Day 10, post-operative partial parodontictomy onto my right side. It's in here, as you can see. Medyo tayo na yun. Pero this part is still numb. And this one numb. I can feel this one numb. Okay, this right side of my face, I can feel like muscle, a little bit of muscle pain. Here, nothing. But when you start from here going up, when you poke it like that, I can feel a little bit of muscle pain, especially here. Dito, muscle pain yan. Going up to my forehead. But when I touch this part, nothing. No muscle pain. No muscle pain. No, 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 nothing. No, 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 no. It's just I am feeling muscle pain na, which is hindi ko siya naramdaman post-op. So yeah, I just felt it maybe 2 days ago. Hindi ko lang siya masyadong binigyan ng pansin, pero right now I'm feeling, especially here, alam mo yung like yung like you're having a headache. Ito, pagka pinapress mo siya, when you're pressing it like that, I'm feeling a muscle pain already. And here, I don't know why. And this one is still numb. This one, I will not know that I am touching my ear. It is just when I am seeing it through the camera, and that's all. Numb, pain, numb, 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 pain, numb, 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 numb. So the only medication that they prescribe for me to take is mainly pain medications, codeine and paracetamol. It's been like 3 days now. I'm not taking anything. I'm trying to not be reliable on that. So yeah, here's my, I just had a bath. Actually, I just soaked myself into the bathtub. Syempre, I did not soak this operative site. And then I immediately washed my hair para naman malinis siya. So ayan. It's all more about, what I am concerned is more about the right side weakness, which I'm praying, hoping na sana all my sensations on this right side makabalik na. Because syempre, I wanted to go back to work. How can I work with this kind of appearance? My patients will get scared of me. Who's that nurse? That's Nurse Lay with the right side facial weakness. Yeah, it's more like I am I am the patient rather than the nurse if I take care of patients like this. Yeah, physically I'm fine. This one is not healing normally. I can endure the pain. The numbness, I can endure it. Like the tingling sounds, the gong sensation when I'm feeling pain, I can take it. It's just this. I'm really devastated. Pero I'm trying myself. I'm trying my best to be strong for my family. Syempre, I know God is with me. in Jesus' name.